Mm-hmm. I'm in the farm. I'm in your property. Oh, yes. 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 Give me all. Give me all. I need to get. Yes! My tornado is a mandala. This game's so easy. What happened to the car? First of all, I love fences. Oh my gosh, we have so many access areas. Yes. I love fences. Fences are my favorite. Anyway, give me all the fences. Yes. Oh yeah. Level up. You level up. Yeah. Even the car. Oh, another one. Yummy. Oh my gosh. Come here. I'm gonna do this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh! Dude, that car's cooked. Oh, and also this thing. I do not know how I'm still upgrading. But yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My tornado is big. Biggest tornado I've ever created, man. How are there still pieces? I'm gonna destroy that. Okay, how am I still not destroying these? These flipping trees are like indestructible. I can't destroy those trees. Wait, I have to destroy all 3 of these cars. Wait, there's still more? Oh my gosh. This is gonna be the fun. Oh my gosh, this house is so big. Yes, I need this house. This house is amazing. I love this house. Oh wow. What? Okay. Always start as this. And now we're eating garbage. Fences! Oh my gosh. And it's around the house. Oh my gosh, I love fences. Is that a trampoline? Gimme. No one will care if I do it. Okay, nothing. Do my tornado go in a little doo-doo? I don't get it. But what is cool is that house. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Give me all. Oh my gosh, there's so many houses. They're about to be cooked. The neighborhood. What? I'm killing the houses. Hey. Destroying houses. My team. And the house is officially cooked. There's so many people. Oh! Oh no! Oh, those people aren't doing good. Oh yeah! More fences. Anyway, can I destroy the stop sign? No, I can't. Okay. More fences? I'll take it. Oh my gosh, there's more people. Hey, a tree. Don't think you're bad. Are you serious, me? I can't get the tree. I'm gonna destroy the house. Well, where are you? Oh, there you are. Oh yeah. Yay. That's so great. Oh, wait, no. Brother. Anyways. It's Mighty Tornado. That's the game. Mighty Tornado.